Photos sometimes throws up something went wrong error message when users try to transfer pictures from their iPhone to PCs. And to fix it, you can watch these troubleshooting steps we have in this video. So to start, don't try to import all the images at once. This is mainly because transferring a large number of photos at once from an iPhone to Windows can cause issues with the import process, resulting in the error. For an instance, this issue could occur because of a small minority of corrupted images with a large batch. Thus, the error is less likely to happen if you reduce the number of images. Additionally, select the Import Pictures context menu option. Do that by first plug your iPhone to Windows PC to transfer pictures. Go to File Explorer, right-click your iPhone in the Explorer's left sidebar to select an Import Pictures and Videos option. Click the Review option, select Next to Review Images, choose some images to transfer, then click the Import option. Lastly, restart the Apple mobile device service. Do that by opening Services, double-click on Apple mobile device service, click Automatic in the Startup menu, then refresh it by clicking Stop, then click Apply. Open the service again, then select Start. And those are the following fixes if your iPhone image import error is showing on your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.